Hi, Antonio Martin here of the Martin Law Group, where we help creative investors close real estate deals. Well, Governor DeSantis has extended the moratorium, and it's going to be coming to a close here in October. It may be extended longer, it may not. We don't know. But we've been getting a lot of calls from individuals who are concerned about their property going into foreclosure or moving into a default, and what's going to happen when their forbearance or their deferment expires, and what are the banks going to do moving forward once this moratorium ends. So we wanted to take a couple of minutes and just share a couple of valuable tips with you guys for when would be the right time to look for and hire an attorney if you're moving toward foreclosure. Now, let me tell you what normally happens. What normally happens is a person gets served, or they find out that they have paperwork from a family member or something to that effect. And the paperwork on the summons says that they have 20 days to respond with an answer to whatever the pleadings are saying. And what they'll do is they'll wait until the 18th or the 19th day, and they'll start looking for an attorney. I implore you not to do that. For your own stress, for the stress of the law firm that you are looking to retain, don't do that. I think there are 3 primary points where you can begin to look for an attorney. One is right after you get the default. When you have a notice of default from the bank because you haven't been paying your mortgage, it's possible that the mortgage company might be moving forward to do something called accelerate your mortgage. Once it's accelerated, that means it's no longer just the monthly payment that's due. It's now the total balance of the mortgage that's due. Right? So if you don't have that kind of money in the bank, you're not going to be able to pay off the entire mortgage, and that's going to begin the foreclosure process. So after you've spoken with the bank, or if you've discussed certain things and you're running into a stop, once you get the default, that's the best time to go ahead and shop for the attorney that may be right for you to be able to determine if the property goes into foreclosure, what rights do you have? Will you have an opportunity to modify? How long does that process take? Right? All of those questions could be answered right then. The second best time, in our opinion, is right after the LP or the lease pendants is filed. So in the Central Florida area, what often people find is that when their property is going to foreclosure, the LP is filed before the individual homeowner or investor gets served. So what will inevitably happen is once the LP is filed in the court of Orange County or Polk County or Lake County, these individuals begin to get mailers in the mail from attorneys who are looking to market their services. Well, those attorneys know to market their services because an LP or a lease pendants has been filed for foreclosure. So if you start to get those notices, if you can call the individuals on the notice, you can, but that also is a good time to start shopping because you haven't yet been served, so your time has not yet told for the 20 days to begin, and you have a little bit of peace of mind knowing that you can do some shopping without the clock running against you, okay? And then the third and final time, in our opinion, to contact an attorney to try to help with the foreclosure would be when you get served, or within a day or two of when you get served. How that benefits us as a law firm is that it allows us to look at your file, to prepare all of the appropriate defenses, and preserve all of the possible rights that you have. Now, sometimes this can be done at a later point in time, but it's always better to have it done sooner rather than later, okay? So those are 3 times that we believe that it's best for you to contact an attorney to begin to find which one is the right one for you. Are you looking for experience? Are you looking for something that's unique? Are you looking for a situation specifically for loan modifications or something to that effect, something to try to retain the home? Okay. If you have any questions about this and you're looking to clarify some of your rights related to a default or for a foreclosure, please give the Martin Law Group a call. We're providing free consultations for the month of October 2020. So if you have any questions, feel free to go to our website at www.callmartinlawgroup.com, or you can go on to Facebook or to LinkedIn and find us there, or you can simply call us.